welcome back to our YouTube channel Accidental Doctor. From today onwards, I will be continuing the series of Karnataka with you. We have already uploaded the private medical colleges of Telangana, Uttarakhand, UP, so you can go and watch it. Today, I'll be sharing information on Subbaiah Institute of Medical Sciences, which is also known as SMC Shimoga. In this video, we will be talking about establishment year, cutoff, tuition fees and many more things. So let's begin with the video. Talking about the establishment year of this college. So this college was established in 2012. Talking about tuition fees of this college. So the tuition fees of college is 9,94,406 rupees. Talking about the website of Karnataka NEET UG Counseling, so that is www.cetonline.karnataka.gov.in. Talking about the cutoff of this medical college, so the cutoff for first round was 514 and cutoff for second round was 479. As I already told you before, the counseling website for Karnataka NEET UG Counseling, you can log into this website and you can fill your basic counseling registration details such as your phone number, your 12th marks, your name. OTP, that is one-time password, will come on the registered phone number. You can fill that OTP and you can begin your counseling. And if you need our help in counseling process, you can visit our website. On our website, you will find 3 plans, that is Plan A, Plan B and Plan C. In Plan A, you will get to know is there any hidden charge in this medical college or number of supply in first year. You will get to know everything about the college before entering the medical college. And Karnataka counseling will come under Plan C, that is counseling for all India. When you are doing all India counseling, there are many benefits because many options are available and chances of getting colleges increase. You can go to the website, this image will appear. You can click on book an appointment and our team will try to contact you as soon as possible. Talking about total number of UG seats in this medical college, so there are total 150 UG seats in this medical college. Talking about campus size, so campus is well maintained and it is distributed in 32 acres. Talking about campus facilities, so campus consists of gym, laundry, library, playground and many more things. Talking about hostel facilities, so hostel rooms are also well maintained and it consists of accommodation of 2 to 3 person per room. It consists of both AC and non-AC room. This college is affiliated with Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences and this college is approved by NMC. We are clearing all your doubts free on our Instagram handle, that is Accidental Doctor. So you can follow us there. Parameters that a candidate should consider while choosing a medical college is that total budget of the medical college, patient flow of that medical college, quality of education of that state and total number of PG seats in that state. Large number of PG seats will be a great benefit for you after you have done your NEET UG. And Karnataka fits best in all the parameters because quality of education is really high in Karnataka and PG seats are also high in Karnataka. So Karnataka is one of the best state you can pursue your MBBS with. Moving further in the video, talking about outing time of this medical college. So outing is available from 7 AM to 9 PM. Talking about internship stipend. So internship stipend is 26,300. Talking about the counseling process of Karnataka, so for private medical colleges counseling, there are 3 rounds, round 1, round 2 and round 3, that is mop-up round. Round 1 and round 2 is done in online mode, but the last round, that is mop-up round, is done in the offline mode. Now you can go for document verification online, but if you are an NRI student, you will have to go document verification in an offline mode. Now there are various types of seats in Karnataka. First, that is government quota seats which are reserved for the students of Karnataka, that is domicile holders of Karnataka. Second type of seat is open category seat which is open for all, that is students from other states can also participate in this counseling, which is also known as management quota seat. And third type of seat is NRI seat in which you can get college at very low cutoff but the fees of this medical college will be increased. If you are pursuing your MBBS on government quota seats, then there is a service bond present in Karnataka of 1 year, and if you are not ready to do the service bond, then there will be a penalty of 10 lakh rupees. So let's end the video here. If you have any doubt regarding this college, you can write in comment section or you can message us on our Instagram handle. Our team will try to resolve your query as soon as possible. Thank you.